Hello everyone, welcome to our video on how to use Microsoft Teams, a platform of video conferencing where you can use for all sort of purpose. It's a free platform and can be used on application and browser for both on personal computer and smartphone. I'm going to tell you how to register an account of Microsoft Teams. First thing first, go to this link. You need to have a Microsoft account. If you are the student of UMS, you already have one, and all you need to do is click the button of sign up for free using your UMS email and password. If you're not a student of UMS and don't have an account, you can create one by going to this link. And the requirements needed are only an email you own and setting up a password, and voila, you have one now. Now you can go back to the first link and click the button sign up for free. Use the email and the password you have just registered. The second step is to choose how do you want to use Microsoft Teams. If you are using it for school, click the button for school, but this type only works for email that is assigned by your school, for example, the UMS email. The second option is for family and friends. This option will lead you to the suggestion of using Skype, another platform that is specialized in providing video chat and voice call between all computer and other type of gadget over internet. This option is suitable for connecting between friends and family as its interface is more simple and less formal from the option for school and work. Last but not least, the third option is for work and organization. This option is suitable for those who owns or are about to start a company. This option requires you to state your name and the name of your company, and the next thing is you are required to send invitation to your teams to join you on Microsoft Teams. Next part regarding the activity, chat and calls is coming up.
Now I will teach you how to use the activity, chat and calls in Microsoft Teams. Activity is the first app in the rail on the left hand side. The activity section is a record of everything you and your teammates do in the Microsoft Teams and the chat apps. It's useful because it consolidates all the activity from your different chats, channels, teams all into one place. It means that when you are looking for that thing you said or someone said to you or a file that was shared, it's all there recorded in the activity app. For the call tab, this is one place where you can certainly call everyone even if they are not using Teams. Your organization has to allow this and give you an enterprise voice license. In calls, you can also see your call history and check voicemails. If you didn't receive any call, don't worry, any missed call and voicemail will show up in your activity feed. So, inside the chat tab, you can have one-on-one chat or group chat with your teammates. To start a new chat, you can come up to the top and next to the search, you can click on the new chat icon. If you click on this drop-down current, notice that you can create a name if this is going to be a group chat. Because it is a group chat, you can go ahead and give this a name to add members to this group chat. For the next part, my friend will explain to you about Teams.
Hi everyone. Okay, now I'm going to teach you how to use the Teams feature in Microsoft Teams. As you can see on the left side, which is the app bar, you can select Teams. In this feature, you can join a team that created by others, or you can create a team of your own. To create a team, click Join or Create Team link that appears at the bottom of the app bar. Then, click the Create a Team card. After that, you will need to enter the name and also the description of your team. Don't forget that you also need to choose the privacy setting for your team, which is this allow you to choose whether you want to make your team as a private or public. This part is crucial because it helps you to manage your team better and to avoid unwanted members in your team. A private team means only the team's owner can add the members, while a public team means anyone in your organization can join the team. As soon as you've done the setting part, click Next, which is it will allow you to add members to your team. To add members, just simply by adding either a name or email address. The maximum members for a team is 2,500 members. You can also choose the role of the team's members. Now, you can manage your team on the following management options, which is the first one, Manage Team, where this allows you to add or remove members, or change the role of the members, or search for a member. Next, Add a Channel. This is a dialog box where you can enter a channel name and the description of the channel. If you want to leave the team, just click the Leave the Team, which this will be a validation window that asks you to confirm your intent to leave the team. The next part is Edit Team. In this part, It allows you to change the name of the team, the team description, and also privacy setting. If you want to share the team, just click get the link to team. This will copy your team link and easier for you to share with others. Lastly, you can also delete the team if you no longer need the team. That's all for me for this teams part. Next will be the meeting features part that will be explained by my teammates after this.
Hello, I'm going to show you how to use Meeting in Microsoft Teams. In Meeting, there are two options, which is Meet Now and Schedule a Meeting. When you click Meet Now, you get to choose your audio and video settings. You can turn your video on so the other participants can see your face during the meeting. Also, you can turn your mic on so the other participant can hear your voice. After that, select Join Now to enter the meeting. Next one, Schedule a Meeting. When you click on it, it will pop up the meeting that you want to set for your team. You can type the title of your meeting, which I'm going to type here, Microsoft Teams Meeting. You can also set the date for your meeting start. I put here 30 November 2020 at 9 AM and it will end at 30 November 2020 at 12 PM. The duration of the meeting is 3 hours. After that, just click Schedule. Your meeting now is scheduled. You can copy your meeting link or just share it via Google Calendar to share the meeting invitation to others. The maximum number of attendance in single meeting is 300 and maximum time for a meeting is 24 hours. Next, my friend will teach you how to use files in Microsoft Teams.
Now, let us move on to the Files tab section. When you go to the Files tab, you can see two sections, which is the View section and the Cloud Storage section. These tabs will allow you to see what files has been shared with your teams. As you can see here, when I go to the Recent section, I can see the most recent files that I have downloaded or that I have seen. When you click any of the files, it will immediately view the files without downloading, or you can download it in case if you need to see the files offline. To do that, click on the ellipsis, which is the three dots, to open more options for the files and click Download. Next, if you go to the Microsoft Teams section, you can see what files that you have opened from your teams. Since I have two teams here, I already opened some of the files within my teams. The Download section is just a straightforward thing, which all the files that you have downloaded will be shown at this section. If you want to know where your files have been downloaded, you can click at the Open Download folder and it will direct you to the download folder in your devices. At the Cloud Storage section, you can see it here that Microsoft Teams has provided you with the OneDrive Cloud Storage. As you know, Cloud Storage is where you can save your files in the cloud and can be retrieved back even after you formatted your device. To be able to save your files in the OneDrive, you need to sync the Microsoft Teams with the OneDrive. To sync OneDrive with the Teams, go to your Teams and click on the Files tab. As you can see, mine is already synced with the OneDrive. How do I know that? Because the sync button does not appear between upload and copy link like this. After you click the sync button, the OneDrive will appear and you can just use your Microsoft Teams email to log in. After that, just click next until you're done. You can choose which cloud storage you prefer by clicking the Add Cloud Storage. As you can see here, Microsoft Teams has provided you with these 5 types of cloud storage other than the OneDrive.